Good evening, Rhondda. A few days ago, when the schools closed down, my sister-in-law, Maria O'Boyle, who's a teaching assistant on the Wirral, wrote a poem about that fact from the point of view of the staff and everybody who works in the local schools. And she sent it to me, and I wanted to share it with you. It's called All of Us. We're loco parentis. See them at their best and their worst, in their pride and frustration, when distracted and in concentration, playful and youthful, mature and wise beyond their years, at play or at work, all of them, not just one dimension. It must be hard to divide your love between your children, they say. Try 31, 25, small groups or one-to-one. Do you know how much we actually love your children and wish them the best in all they do, and how much we'll miss them when forced to close the door in situations beyond our control? Stay happy and safe, little ones. Play and enjoy the time with your families and friends. A long spring holiday. We can't wait to see you very soon. From your teachers, your teaching assistants, your dinner ladies, your office staff, your cleaners and caretakers, all of us.